Yes. What it is, man? It's your boy Congo Line Crypto, and I'm back with another one. How you guys doing out there? Before I go any further, man, I'm gonna ask you guys to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and if you haven't signed up for Crypto.com, you could check in the description box below. I'm gonna have my link there. You can use my link to sign up, and you get $25, and I get $25 when you do so. That's the best way to start your crypto journey, with a $25 gift. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? So far, the crypto market, it went down last week. You know, it was way down, and it made a nice little bounce back. And right now, it looks like everything stabilized. So once it stabilized, that's a good thing, because it could just stabilize, move sideways, and then take another shoot up, because that's how it goes. It goes up, take a break, goes up, take a break. So hopefully that's what's going on right now, man. But I just want to jump straight into my DeFi wallet, so you guys could see, because I just want to check in all my pools, and kind of show you guys what's going on, because I got a little strategy that I've been using. And what I really do, instead have a whole bunch of little pots. Basically, I kind of put all my money into not one pot, but I kind of narrow it down, and I put more in the pools. Basically, I put more in the pools, so that means I could gain tokens more faster, you know what I mean, and quicker. Well, same thing, faster, quicker, but I could gain more tokens, and just do it at a quick pace. So if I want to get a certain amount within a week, I know, for instance, $800 would give me a lot more than $200 would give me. So that's kind of what the strategy is. So let me just jump into my staking pools, and show you, because I don't have a lot of staking pools no more, because as I said, I want to see how this work. I'm in MMF Finance. MMF Finance is one of the hottest dApps on the crypto blockchain right now. They're doing big things, and that's the main token that's run the whole blockchain of MMF, you know. So let me get into the pool, kind of show you guys what I got there. And so far, I already made like $10 from this, and I just started this one yesterday, and I'm at $4.64 profit. That's my interest, and I got 1,155 Mino tokens, and that's what I'm earning my interest on right now. It's my interest rate that I'm getting back. It's 257, and it changed constantly. It changes. So, but that this is one of the staking pool, and this one I'm using my MMF. I stake my MMF, and Mino. I'm earning Mino tokens from the MMF. So that's just the beauty of it, because as I said, the money that I put in is still here. The money that I put in is still here. Sometimes it goes up, and sometimes it goes down. And for right now, I didn't put that much in there, so the token is going up right now. So that's a good thing. But as I said, as the token go up, I'm still earning another coin, which that coin could be going up at the same time. This coin could shot up to the roof. You know, Mino could shot up to the roof, and if she shot up to the roof, then I already got, what I mean, I already got 1.4 of it. So that's just the beauty of these stake. And when you stake and you earn these other coins, then you never know what these other coins can become within a day, or within a week, or within a month. You know what I'm saying? So that's good. So this is one, and then the next one I have, because I only have two pools over here now, because I kind of move things around, as I said. So this one I have my Mino. They stake. I got them stake in the Mino farm, and what I do them when I stake them, I wrap them. There's a way that you can wrap them. I would have to show you guys. That's like another video then. But I wrap them, and when I wrap them, it comes to SW Mino, and it gives me the chance to come over here in this staking pool and stake the Mino over here, and I get MMF. So I earn MMF, and so far I got 5.3 MMF, and the price of that keep going up, and I only have $150 of the WS Mino. So, so you see what I'm talking about as far as having the token and it just keep making earning interest, keep gaining more token, and as I said, those token could goes up also. So that's just a beautiful thing, man. That's what I want to show you guys, and I have more pools. So let me get into MMO and show you guys how things looking over there. You know, yeah, guys. As I said, man, you always know. As I said, financial freedom is the key, and you just gotta figure out how to get it. How to get it where you don't have to go out and kill yourself. The more you put in is the more you take out. Not a financial advisor. Do your own research. If you need financial advice, check with a financial advisor. But the more you put in is the more you take out. And you know what I mean, you kind of do it. You take your time and see if it works for you. And once it works for you, then you know that's something that you could, you know what I mean, you could roll with. Okay, so this is another staking pool that I got on the MMO. Uh, so I started with like six. I know, not even. I started with like 500 and change, and now I'm at 700. And my interest, I earned MMO and MMF, and so far I got 18 MMF that I earned as the interest, which it worth $13.34, and the MMO that I earned right here is 0.909, and that worth $6.48 at this moment. You know what I'm saying? And things never stop. It just always keep going. So basically, you guys see what it is, man. And as I said, the more you put in is the more you take out, and that's a beautiful thing. But other than just have your money sitting there, say for instance you got that extra $200 and it's just sitting there, you could have been working that $200. So that's kind of what it is. Let me go back and see, and I do got some MMO stake also. So this is the token right here, and these tokens, as you can see the price up there. The price for MMO is $7.12 at this moment, and I do have 17 of them. So I have 17 MMO stake, and they're earning me RAP CRO. So so I got 30 of them that were $13.19, and that's the interest that I get. And this haven't been a month. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, this hasn't been a month yet. It's only been a couple of weeks. And I only have $100 in this one, so it kind of show you guys what it is, and how things go. So it's a beautiful thing. Uh, as I get more money, I'm gonna start putting more money into these things because I see that it works, and this is the beauty of things, to see that it works. And when you see that it works, then you already know. So now it's about for you to come up with a strategy to 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 gain as much as you can. You know what I'm saying? So I got my VVS over here also because I moved my VVS from that glitter mine because things went down, and the APY that I was getting, or the APR that I was getting, it wasn't, I always try to find better, because that's kind of what it is right here. You kind of go around and you find the best that you can find because you want to make more money. So I got my VVS over here stake. I didn't sell any of my VVS. I still got my 14 million VVS. Well, I really got 15 million VVS, and so far I earned $1.50 from MMF and 77 cents from MMO. In MMO, not from MMO, because the VVS that I stake, this is what I earned. So far so good, man. That looks good. You know what I mean? As I said, guys, I'm just trying to find ways to capitalize, and you know what I'm saying? And the stake pool that they got here, man, because they got him. And I need to start doing the what you call it. I need to start doing the liquidity pool, but as I said, you know, uh, I'm not there yet. I just kind of like to just stake because it's just so much easier where I don't have to just worry. I don't have to worry about nothing. I just stake and earn interest, and I like that better. So, and Savanna, I could jump to Savanna because I had a little bit of MMF in Savannah, but I pull them out. So right now I have a little bit of VVS stake in Savannah, you know. So that's kind of what it is, guys, man. As I said, it's a beautiful thing. Uh, I'm always gonna give you guys little updates and what's going on here with my, with my staking and how things going. So far, I got a million. I got a million VVS over here that worth $31. Really, when I started, this was like 50 something dollars. So I'm telling you, VVS went way down for the past month, but it's all good because I got my $31 over here, and my $31 I'm earning Savannah, and so far I got a 0.3 Savannah that worth 50 cent. So you know what I mean. Uh, that's kind of what it is, guys. So as I said, it's all in the DeFi wallet. You know what I mean. I think DeFi is a big thing. It's gonna be big time because like when you can make this kind of money, man, this anything that makes money don't go nowhere. It's gonna stay. That's how I feel. So that's what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. Please like the video, man. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you could know when I drop something. And if you haven't signed up for the Crypto.com, use my link, man. Just use the link, sign up, get that $25, and then you probably could show your $25 in the DeFi. Buy some Crypto.com with that $25. You know what I'm saying? Not a financial advice, but buy some Crypto.com, move it over to the DeFi wallet, and then you could start doing some of what I'm doing. You know what I mean? So that's what it is, man. It's your boy Congo Lion Crypto. Financial freedom is the goal, so remember that. And you guys stay safe out there, man. Let's get this paper. Yeah.